Hiya Sevens. In this video I'm just going to show you some options for creating your movie, All About Me movie. If you are using an Apple or any kind of Apple Mac or Mac machine, then please feel free to use iMovie. If you have any kind of video editing software already on your computer, then please use that. If you're happy to use any kind of video editing software, please use that. This video is just to demonstrate how to use Movie Maker, and then I'm going to do another video which is to demonstrate a thing called Video Editor. Sorry, just choked. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to do, if you are using a Windows machine, is to click into your search bar and just type in Movie Maker, and you should see Movie Maker that looks like this. It is old software. It's from 2012, and Windows actually has stopped making it, but for today we're just going to use it. So you can either use Movie Maker. When you open it, it should look something like that. I've made mine really small because I need to click on things. If you don't have Movie Maker, you can click there as well, and you can type in Video Editor, which is the updated version that Windows created for like to replace Movie Maker, and mine's taking very long to load, but okay, so Video Editor looks like that. And like I said, for today's demonstration, or for the purpose of this one today, I am going to just show you, for this video I'm going to show you how to use Movie Maker. If you have a video editor, then please close this video down and watch the second video YouTube clip. Okay. Alright, so hopefully if you're going to be using Video Editor, you have left, or if you're using iMedia or any other video editing tools, you have left. This is purely for the people who have got the old version of Movie Maker. Okay, so just a few things with Movie Maker. The best thing to do over the last 2 weeks, you should have been collecting little clips of videos, maybe of you doing your sports, like if you're good on the trampoline, or if you've got your dog and you want to take a video of your dog or your family or anything like that. You should have collected all the videos and photos, because you can use photos as well, and I would recommend that you put them into an All About Me folder. So here you can see. So the first thing I'm going to do is, you can see there's this white box here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of my pictures that I know that I want to put into my movie, and I'm going to drag them into that box. I simply clicked on them and dragged them into that box. Now you can decide which order you want them to go in. For instance, I love Costa, so I'm going to put Costa at the front. So this is my favorite drink, is Costa coffee. Favorite food is Kentucky Fried Chicken. Then I've got a little video clip about the dog. I'll show you now. I like to play board games with my family, and there's my niece and nephew, so I might put them after. So you can move clips around. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. So could you pause the video now and get your clips into Movie Maker, and then in the right order. Okay, so hopefully you've got your clips in and you've put them in a good order. So what you're going to do now is, we can add a title. So if you click in the before the first slide and put title, you can change that to All About Me by Miss Horsler. And then you can also, at the very end here, if you click at the end, you can add a credits at the end, where you can say thank you for watching, and all the people who took part, and you can name them if you want. It works a bit like a movie credits that come up at the end. Okay, so if we have a look at that, if we play that, It's all about me, and I'm finished reading it, so I'm a bit bored now. It's a bit long, so we might not want it on for as long as it's on. So if you have a look here where it says text tools, or even the video tools, if we go to the video tools there, it says duration 7. So I'm actually going to put it on for 3, and I'm going to do the same for all of my, just the photos. Okay, so not the video. You can see there's I'm just going to put that on. You can see that's the video, so I'm not going to do that for the video now. So 3, and then yeah, I might put that on for 4 because it's a bit more reading. Okay, so the first thing to do, or the next thing to do, is to go to your home, add a title page, add a credits page, and then change the length of your photos to 2 or 3 seconds. So you can pause the video now and then come back once you've done that. Right, if we are moving from one picture to the other, if we have a look at mine now, it goes from the Costa to the KFC, and it just goes picture to picture. You can actually put in an animation. So if you, for instance, wanted to go, if you watch, so it could just swipe, or it could V, or there's many different ones. I mean, there's not actually that many. You can checkerboard it. You can make a love heart if you want. A star. So I'm going to choose star. Actually, I'm not. I'm going to choose, I saw this one. And then you just click apply to all. And what will happen now is when I push play, you can see it turns. I don't like that one actually. Sorry. I'm going to put a heart. Apply to all. Okay, so if you want to see the heart in action, there you go. You can't really see it very well, but hey. Alright, so if you want to put a transition or animation, please put that on now. You can also use these, which you can see the picture moves from the top or the bottom or the side. And again, also make sure you click apply to all. You can't see it because my screen is not, so there, apply to all. Okay, so if you want to pause the video now, and then you can go and add some animations. Right, if you've put a picture in and it's not the right way up, you can choose these to turn it if you want to rotate the picture. I'm just going to show you now about the video. So how the video looks at the moment is,
Buddy, do you want to go for a walk?
my mom's dog called Buddy, and
Buddy's got itchy ears.
we don't really need all of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go the Buddy,
Buddy, do you want to go for a walk?
and then I'm going to stop there. So I can see it's on 13 seconds. Well, actually, I'm just going to stop where I want it to stop. And then if you go to video edit here, you can actually use the trim tool, or you can set the endpoint. So I'm going to just set the endpoint. And you can see I've now cut the video. You can see a piece went away. And if I play it,
Buddy, do you want to go for a walk?
and there you go, maybe cut it a bit short, but anyway. Alright, so if you want to trim your videos, you can trim them there. You can set the duration of the video as well if you want. You can have it fast speed if you want. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else we want to add. If you want to add captions to your slide, like if here, so I might want to say, I love KFC. You can choose, obviously you can't see that because it's white. So you might want to edit the text here. So I might put, I don't know, blue, I don't know, maybe black. You can choose if you want it bold. You can choose your font here. Alright, so Rockwell extra bold. And then you can choose how you want your text to look. So it could fly in. So I'm just going to do that one. Okay. So now if I play that, you can see it says I love KFC, and then you could say about your niece and nephews and stuff like that. The final thing that I wanted to show you is, so pause the video if you want to add captions, and then the final thing I want to show you is if you want to add music. So I before this I went and got a thing called Disco Zombies, but all I did, I'm just going to go here, so I went to Google and I typed in free music download, and then I went on to Free Music Archive, and I actually searched for drums because I decided I wanted drums. You'll see it's rather strange. So I just searched for drums, and then you can just make sure you download whichever one you want, and then in Movie Maker all we are simply going to do is take once, make sure you download it into your folder, and then you just take it and you drag it into Movie Maker. Now I've only put it there, but you can slide it across, so I'm going to start it there. And then I don't really want it playing while the dog, while I'm talking about Buddy, so you can actually then trim it. So music tools, so I can see that this video starts at, sorry, the dog starts at 12, so I'm going to trim my end point here to 12 seconds. And you can see the green thing ends there. So if I watch my video now, okay, so you can see obviously I didn't get my timing right, so I might want to say, so you can see now, you can see my mom moving back. That's my mom, by the way. You can see her moving backwards. She's going to be thrilled with this video. And there, so if I stop the music there just as the heart's forming, so if I watch it now,
Buddy, do you want to go for a walk?
okay. And the other thing with the music, you can fade it in, you can fade it out. So we could have a fade out, so a fast fade out would just mean it can go into one song into another. You can then go and find another song if you want to have a different song. So if you want to show your favorite songs for this year, you can put them on. So please feel free to pause the video now and add that. And the final thing we want to do is, what I'd recommend is that you save your project. Alright, so first of all, just save your project. So I'm going to save mine in downloads just because that's where I find stuff the easiest, in All About Me. And I'm going to call it My Movies Fun. So first save it just because in case you want to edit it, but that's not going to be able to play, or if you send it to us, it's going to be missing stuff. So what you then need to do is you need to say save movie for email. Okay, the reason why I'm saying for email is because it will save it as quite a small file size. If you want to show your parents, you could save it as high definition, but for me or for your teachers, just save it as for email. And then I would say here, just so that we know it's you, My Movie Miss Horsler. So put your name and surname in there and save it. And then what will actually happen is it will save it into the folder as a, you can see there. So that one there's the Movie Maker version. That one there's the Movie Maker version. And this is the MP4, which then if I play it, I can actually close this. I don't know if it'll close in the background, but
Buddy, do you want to go for a walk?
and that's the end of the movie. That you can slow down as well, by the way. Alright, so please can you make sure that you have got everything ready, and just need to turn this off. Make sure you've put everything into your movie, make sure you've saved it as ready for email, add it to your All About Me presentation, or just send it to your teacher. We are going to do a little bit more work on this next lesson, but for today's lesson, please make sure you have your movie and everything's ready to go.